Hi, I'm Suzanne Doolin, and I'm a friend of Catherine Kerrigan's. I own the business Sadhana. My business is a business that develops online courses, yoga courses. Catherine Kerrigan is one of our experts. She's rolling out our very first course, 8 Minutes to Inner Peace. 8 Minutes to Inner Peace is about giving you a little bit of rest in your life, creating more energy in your life using pranayama, breath mastery techniques. In this course, you'll learn 8 different techniques in a sequence that you can practice each day. It only takes 8 minutes. And we were looking for your help with this course. We need 7 people who will go through as test subjects, who will give us some feedback on the course. You get to go through it for free. In exchange, we want to do an interview with you to learn why you're interested in taking the course so that we can do a better job with our marketing materials and also make the course serve you better. And then also, we would love to have testimonials from people who go through early that we can use in the marketing materials if you really did love the course and would like to endorse it. So if you're interested, please get in touch with Catherine Kerrigan, and we will set up the interviews and we will set up for you to go through the course. Thank you so much for your help in advance. And this is a limited opportunity. Only 7 people will have this opportunity to go through the course for free. Thank you.